This project really started with me learning about what an NFT was. I initially thought that it would make sense to start with the code itself, looking towards the letters and the characters as the building blocks that I would use to create digital images. I looked back to a project that I had done several years ago called QWERTY, which is a book that I made by creating drawings using letters on the typewriter, typing very regular rows of a single character within a delineated frame. My interest in type really started as thinking of the letter as a ready-made, very similarly to the way I work with in my sculptures. One of the things that was most interesting to me about working with art blocks was that it was a generative art platform. Being an artist that's always worked in a very mechanized and generative way, having this digital intervention into my practice has felt far more natural than I ever would have imagined. We started by having the programmers create this drawing tool that would give me toggles on a spectrum where I could create ranges for the code to work within. Using 26 letters and 30 special characters for this project really allowed for a vast variety of images to be created. The letters and characters are being layered and manipulated with algorithmically imposed waves and amplitudes. The images are black and white. There's colors and ghost-like images that appear in the interstitial spaces in between the lines. There's pulsating rhythmic qualities that appear depending on the scale at which you're viewing it and your distance from the screen. There's so many aspects of this project that layer with my, let's call it a regular art practice. I've been working on a series of screen drawings where I'm using a woven wire mesh window screen and moving the wires to sort of extract new images and patterns from a very regular grid. I think I'm really interested in kind of the play between a resulting organic form that grows from a very formal structure. It's a bit of a balance between order and chaos.